I need to watch the guardhouse to make sure, follow up on a concern Mr.
Okay.
brought up.
Okay, we'll just do a normal reset to give y'all time to check into that.
Thank you.
You also have Nevada Bates, Mr. Rojas.
I don't think we need him either, Judge. I didn't realize I had that till last week. I got on it and I talked to him. I think I need to have him looked at by a doctor.
Okay.
Get the competency.
Okay, so we'll do a reset. If you'll just send something over,
Yes,
we'll get
we'll
that
get that
taken
done
care of
this
quickly. Thanks.
Good morning.
Good morning. And Donovan Spencer. Okay, you may hold it for the paperwork.
He's already signed it.
I'm sending it to him.
Okay, we can get Donovan Spencer. Good morning, sir. Are you Donovan Spencer? Good morning, Mr. Smith. Give me just a second. And Mr. Rojas, will your client waive the formal reading of the motion?
He will, Your Honor.
Well, it's coming. Hopefully. Did they? Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Mr. Spencer, in cause number 24, DCCR 0261, I have a motion to revoke your community supervision. Shows that you were placed on probation July 17th of 2024 for assault on a peace officer, and that was a 10-year term in prison that was probated for 10 years. Is that correct? And it alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you failed to report as directed July 8th of 2025, and is that true or not true?
True.
Count 2 alleges that you failed to complete the mental health evaluation and follow all of the recommendations, and is that true or not true?
True.
Count 3 alleges that you failed to successfully complete the SafeP program. Is that true or not true?
True.
And then count 4 alleges that you failed to submit to an alcohol or drug screening July 1st of 2025. And is that true or not true? Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1 through 4 freely and voluntarily? And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true? I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas? And do you fully understand them? And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal? And it looks like the agreement that you've reached is to cap your punishment at 6 years. And so what that means is that we will reset your case. I'll get an updated pre-sentence report. We'll come back and see. I'll get any evidence that's presented, and then I'll decide your sentence. And as long as I do not give you more than 6 years in prison, you can't appeal that. You understand? State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Spencer is not competent?
Okay.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, 3, and 4 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to revoke your probation, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to reset your case for sentencing. Anything that you think is important for me to know, get that information to Mr. Rojas, and he will present it to me on your behalf when we come back. All right, we'll see you back at sentencing.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. And we reset Wilkerson. Ms. Perazzo, you have Jose Lopez Pamias.
Your Honor, I don't have an interpreter. Ruben could not be here today. Because I didn't find out until this morning that he wasn't going to be able to make it.
Call. Okay, we have to do something. Okay, I'll hold it while we get an interpreter. You have Trayvon Alexander. Good morning. Let's see if we can get Ms. Cepeda on the phone, but maybe just for a minute if you don't mind. Thank you, Mr. Rojas.
I assume it's Spanish. I
Huh?
assume it's Spanish.
It is. And Charlie could do it for the pre-trial. I didn't think about that.
She's coming back then.
Okay, we're good, Mr. Rojas. Thank you, sir. Good morning. Are you Trayvon Alexander? And this is 25 DCCR 0831. Mr. Alexander is charged with murder. And Ms. Perazzo, what is the announcement?
Your Honor, we have not quite completed reviewing all of the discovery, so if I could just have
Sure.
additional
This
time
is-
to review.
Yeah, just indicted, looks like 40 days ago. Okay, and so, Mr. Alexander, what I'm going to do is reset your case about 30 days or so to give Ms. Perazzo some more time to make sure she has all the discovery from the district attorney's office. She will be out there to go over all of that with you before the next court date, everything that she has, and then we'll see if we can get an announcement at that point, okay? All right, you can go back with the bailiff.
Is that okay? Okay. Because I think it's not like best having him getting back on the okay.
Mr. LeBlanc, you have Lenny Lede. Okay, good morning. That's right. Okay. Yeah. All right, sir, you're Lenny Lede?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 23 DCCR 0783, and Mr. Lede is charged with sexual assault. There was a withdrawal. We've gone through a couple of attorneys. Mr. LeBlanc has been appointed, and Mr. LeBlanc, what is the announcement?
Judge, as far as I understand, his plea is still the same. We're getting ready for trial. I've gotten with his other attorney and got the information from him.
Okay.
And, so it's,
No change in any offers or anything like that. All right, so Mr. Lede, what I'll do is move your case back onto the trial docket, and Mr. LeBlanc will continue getting ready for trial, and we'll get it tried as quickly as we can. All right, you go back with the bailiff. Thank you, sir. Ms. Holmes, you have Jordan Thomas.
Yes, ma'am, you can hold them.
We've gotten an offer. He'd like a chance to talk with his family. It is a extensive time offer.
Okay.
And so we were asking if we can get, even if it's a short recess, so he can have time to discuss with his family.
Okay. Well, just a couple of weeks?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, we'll reset him 2 weeks, and we'll need an announcement
Yes,
for sure
ma'am.
at that time. Thanks. And then you have Sharita Washington?
Yes, we're ready on her.
Did you do
It's
paper?
gonna be relapse safety. I don't know if we needed to do paperwork on it. Do we need to do it?
I don't know. Is there? Let me look at it real quick, and then we'll. Good morning, you're Sharita Washington?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me just a second. Good morning. Good morning, Ms. Malfino. Good, thank you. Let's see. Okay. So, she was ordered a safe P already. Does she go and,
She was unsuccessfully discharged from the aftercare, the Melton. She left the Melton Center.
so the agreement is to go back to for relapse? Does it need to be is there a special needs relapse?
Yeah,
Okay.
special needs. She's got a lot of
Sure. Ms. Washington, the best you can, raise your right hand for me, please. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? All right, and will she waive the formal reading of the motion?
Yes, Sharon.
Ms. Washington, in cause number 23, DCCR 1036, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation September 10th of 2024 for harassment of a public servant, and that was a 2-year deferred probation. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It alleges you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you failed to report as directed to the probation department June 2nd of 2025. And is that true or not true?
True.
Count 2 alleges that you failed to enroll in services at the Spindletop Center. Is that true or not true?
I didn't tell me nothing about the inmates and more services, but I can do it though.
Okay, so we'll do not true for 2. Count 3 alleges that you're behind in your court-assessed fees.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
that true or not
Yes,
true?
ma'am. True.
True. And then count 4 alleges that you failed to successfully complete the SafeP program, including the aftercare. Is that true?
Yes, that's true.
Okay. Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1, 3, and 4 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And because those counts are actually true.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's my understanding, Ms. Washington, that probation feels like you still deserve a chance and that you have the ability to take advantage of some services and be successful. I want to make sure you understand from my standpoint. I have no doubt that they have let you know about everything, okay? From the very beginning with regard to SafeP, with regard to any special services through Spindletop. If you don't take advantage of this opportunity this time, and you're back in here because you didn't go and receive services or you don't successfully complete the relapse program at SafeP, we're not going to be talking about keeping you on probation. You understand? You could go to prison for 10 years today for violating your probation. It's that serious. So you need to make sure you take advantage of everything they have to offer you, okay? All right. So
Would the court consider maybe extending?
I'm going to have to, yeah, for sure. It's going to be extended, I would think, by at least 2 years. So, I'm going to make your probation go longer because you got to go back through SafeP now, so it's going to take longer. So you're going to have to prove that you can be successful, so I'm going to extend your probation.
Okay.
Hold on just a second. So here's another thing that's very important. Your behavior in the jail is something that I find out about. Okay? I get incident reports.
Yeah.
And hang on. And it explains every time you get an incident report, every time you're calling a correctional officer the B word, every time, hang
I
on.
want to know my benefits.
Well, and I understand that there might be some issues, okay? But I want to make sure that you do the best you can
Yes, ma'am.
to follow all of the rules and not be disrespectful
Okay.
to anybody that's in there just doing their job and trying to help, right?
Yes.
They're just going to work every day,
Yeah.
okay? They don't deserve to be treated that way. That includes when you're in SafeP. Because if you get to SafeP and you're on your medicines and everything's correct and you're acting like this, then you're going to end up getting revoked before you ever get out. Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1, 3, and 4 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty and revoke your probation, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to follow this agreement and I'm going to extend your probation for 2 years. And I'm going to order that you enter and successfully complete the Special Needs Relapse Safety Program. Obviously, when you get out, you will be required to go to the Spindletop Center, be evaluated, follow through with any recommendations they have of treatment or medication or whatever it is, and all of that is so that you are successful, okay?
Okay.
All right, good luck to you, ma'am. You can go back with the bailiff.
Have a blessed day.
Thank you, ma'am. You too. And then, Ms. Holmes, you have Jamal Caddy.
Yes, Your Honor. They're gonna do a bailiff's call on this one.
Okay.
Jamil.
Jamil.
Okay.
We need a bailiff's call.
Okay.
She's not gonna show.
She's not. Okay. Well,
She's got other things to do.
well, that's, what can you do? Good morning. Are you Jamel Caddy? And this is 25 DCCR 0177. Mr. Smith, it's my understanding the state needs to do a bailiff's call.
Yeah, yes, Judge. Cherie Drake.
Cherie Drake.
No response, Your Honor?
Judge, just for the record in this case, Cherie Drake was sent a subpoena and a letter separately. She received both. She did call our office, said she did not want to come, said she doesn't care what happens to the defendant, and that she had other things going. So with that, state will file a motion to dismiss.
All right, so I'll sign that. So, Mr. Caddy, I'm not sure what the relationship is going forward with Ms. Drake, but I'm looking at the probable cause affidavit in your case, and it's not pretty what the allegations are that you did to her. And if you get out, my suggestion is you go do your own thing without her, and you learn to keep your hands to yourself when it comes to whoever you're dated, okay? Go back with the bailiff. Thank you, Mr. Smith. Ms. Perazo and Ms. Cepeda, thank you for coming back on Jose Lopez Pamillas. He's what? Do I need to wait for him?
No, Judge, I know it's announced.
Oh, okay. Good morning, Ms. Cepeda. Thank you. And would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to accurately and truthfully translate from Spanish to English and English to Spanish, so help you God? Thank you.
No, he did not. He just said he was not sir.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. If you need to talk to him, you would find out a little bit.
Good morning. Are you Jose Lopez Pamillas?
Yes.
And Mr. Pamillas' case is set for trial to begin with jury selection next Monday. And what is the announcement?
The defense is ready, Your Honor.
And on behalf of Mr. Coleman, the state's ready as well, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Pamillas, I want to make sure you understand that after today, I will not accept any plea agreements. So I want to make sure you still want to reject the state's offer and go to trial.
They don't give me anything good.
Well, the offer was 25 years.
Lo que te dan 5 años.
on one case, dismissing the two other cases,
Investigué las otras dos casos.
and 25 years if you go to trial and are found guilty is the minimum punishment.
Si vas a juicio, vas a tener que pagar 25 años en la cárcel, ese es el mínimo.
Because of your prior felony convictions.
Porque las otras penalidades que has tenido en el pasado.
There was also an offer after that
Y también hubo otra oferta después de eso.
where the state offered to waive the habitual offender status
Y el Estado estaba dispuesto a renunciar al Estado
and allow you to plead open to the court to a second degree felony, which means that you would leave your punishment up to me and I could sentence you anywhere in the range between 2 and up to 20 years in prison. So do you want to reject that and go to trial or take that offer?
I cannot give up my innocence.
Okay, then we'll go to trial next week. I'll number the cases after docket.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Ms. Cepeda. I didn't get on Andrew Jackson a pre-sentence report, did I? What's the agreement? Is there something that you can print out for me, please, or pull up? Or send it back to me or something so I know, please.
I'm sorry, I reprinted it because it didn't have a date on it.
That's okay. Mr. Kimler, you've got Rebecca Rito. Okay, thank you. You can just,
It's in here.
okay, yeah, the sticky's fine, whichever. Good morning, you're Rebecca Rideau. And this is 25 DCCR 0336. Ms. Rideau is charged with tampering or fabricating physical evidence with intent to impair, and what is the announcement?
Your Honor, what do you want to take it off? Or you want-
Y'all go talk about this somewhere else other than in front of
The
me.
last time I spoke with her, she didn't want to.
Okay.
I want to make sure. No.
Okay, go have a seat in the jury box. Y'all talk about it before you get in front of me. She's in the back. You can go visit with her before you stand in front of me. Mr. Kimler, on Gabriel Smith. or-
We talked to you. Hang on. Yeah, that's what she wants to do.
Go talk to her in the back before you come up here. I want. Well, then just ask me to hold them for a minute. I'll hold them. Go visit with them. You were just sitting in the jury box. I figured you were ready.
I'll make sure. You bring that back.
Maybe September, let's make something like that.
Mr. Burbank, on Devon Byerly?
Can we approach before you bring them out, Judge?
Sure. Morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.